Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and this is the segment where we take a quick look at some of the hottest floor plans on the market today. I'm here on the Southern RV sales lot standing inside a new 2022 Venture RV Stratus 261VRL. This is a super cool little floor plan. It's about 30 feet long and weighs in dry at about 5,890 pounds. This is built with couples or solo travelers in mind, but it could host an additional couple of people for sleeping arrangements by way of this dinette that we see right here, because it can convert into a bed. The nice thing about this coach is that it's not very big. It has a single slide, and we're pretty much in the main living space here. As we come through the front door, we have recliners with some storage on either side. Nice cabinetry up above in the form of opening doors there. The dinette itself also has some storage down beneath it. What I'd like to point out that's really cool about this design is that whether you're sitting at the dinette or sitting in the recliners, you have a great view of the TV. They put the entertainment center on an angle, giving us some storage up above. Again, more cabinetry. There's our controls there. As soon as we come through the door, they're accessible. This does have a solar panel up on the roof, and it runs through this Go Power solar charge controller. It's a 30 amp charge controller, so that's going to keep all of your 12 volt systems topped off. The TV itself is on a swivel mount, so it will come out off the wall and rotate to face any direction you choose to. We have a built-in IRV Technologies head unit down below. That's Bluetooth capable, so you can play your tunes both inside and outside. And in a flame electric fireplace beneath that is going to put out heat in the winter time, so it's not just there for looks. As we push forward, we end up in our kitchen. They have done some really cool stuff with their countertops. They've given it this almost a live edge appeal. I think that's really good looking. They've given us a sink cover over that big stainless steel single basin sink. And also, I love the fact that they put in this big old spray port. That's going to make it easy to clean up pots and pans after cooking. Speaking of cooking, we have a 3-burner stovetop from Furrion with an oven beneath. It has a glass cover on it just to extend that counter space. Furrion microwave up top. Again, more cabinetry. Nice big open cabinetry all the way around. Drawers, as well as a bit of space underneath the sink. I can see tucking a trash can down in there. Now, they've hidden the refrigerator over here in the slide, and the refrigerator is a Furrion 12 volt, so it's going to have a little more space in it than the traditional gas electric. Also, they've given us some pantry space with some adjustable shelving. That's really nice because this thing is going to have need for lots of storage if a couple's going to be out on vacation for a week or more. Skylights help open up the room, and as we push through into the bathroom, we have this pass-through bathroom that leads into the master. This is incredibly large and spacious. The shower itself, even me at 6'3", I fit into it just fine. My head does poke up into the skylight here a little bit, but it's a large and generous skylight. At the foot of the bathroom here, we have some extra storage in the way of a medicine cabinet. And then they've given us these nice tall closet spaces here where we can stash some towels and other things. Hanging hooks there for bathrobes and towels. And then this door passes us into the front bedroom. Now this is a 50 amp service camper. We've optioned it that way. It has 2 air conditioners. One of them's right here in this front bedroom, right above this beautiful queen bed with that automotive grade windshield up front that lets in lots of light, not to mention that we have a window on either side that we can open up and get a cross breeze through here. They've thought about things like needs for people that may have like a CPAP machine by putting in storage on either side of the bed with plugs. Also a great place to pop your phone down at night or a drink or something of that nature. And then we have pretty traditional hanging and storage spaces to the left and right of the bed. Pretty neat. One more thing I'll point out before we get out of this bedroom is that there is storage up underneath it. It's strut assisted, so that lifts right up to give us that Nice, big spot. We could also hook up a TV in this bedroom. Back in the corner there, you'll see that we have all of our hookups on the ceiling, and they put a sticker where the mounting bracket would go. Guys, I hope you've really enjoyed this super quick tour of the Stratus. This is an awesome little floor plan. It's here at Southern RV. We've got a couple of them. This one features the gray side walls, but we can also get it in blue, and we can get it in red too. We got to order them, so that's something, if you really want it, let us know. And until next time, guys, happy camping.